Hello, students. It is Wednesday and AMI day 28. Mr. Seal here with another science activity and assignment. So today we're talking about physical properties. We have a little bit of information to help get us started. A physical property is a characteristic of a pure substance that can be observed without changing it into another substance. Hardness, texture, and color are some physical properties of matter. So we can observe something's color, we can observe how hard it is or how it feels, its texture, without changing it into something else. Those are things we call physical properties. Physical properties can be used to classify matter. We can put different types of materials, different types of matter into different categories based on their physical properties. If they are hard or soft, if they're magnetic, not magnetic. Melting point is the temperature at which a solid becomes a liquid. Boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid becomes a gas. So then we have our table, and it has a list of 4 different substances: water, ethanol, propane, and table salt. These are all compounds, molecules. And it lists the melting point in degrees Celsius for each of those materials, and then the boiling point. Right? Remember that melting, if we're increasing in temperature, and the melting point is when the material goes from a solid into a liquid. And then if we keep adding more heat energy, the boiling point is when we go from a liquid into a gas. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to identify each substance physical state at room temperature. So we're approximating that as 20 degrees Celsius. So at 20 degrees Celsius is each of these materials, each of these compounds, a solid, a liquid, or a gas, and explain how you know this. So one way that might make this a little bit easier is if you think about it like a number line, right? And our number line is temperature, okay? So for example, let's just do number 1 together. We'll do water. So water has a melting point of 0 degrees Celsius. Pardon my handwriting. And it has a boiling point of 100. So we know that our temperature currently is 20 degrees Celsius. On our number line, that would fall somewhere right about here, in between 0 and 100. So since this is the melting point, anything to the left of that, our water, our substance, would be a solid. In between 0 and 100 would be a liquid, and anything to the right of our boiling point at 100 would be a gas. So since 20 falls in between our melting point and our boiling point, we know that water at 20 degrees Celsius should be a liquid. Okay, that's all there is to it, guys. We just need to do that for the other 3 substances, and I do have a little sentence frame for you down here. I know that ethanol, propane, table salt is a solid, liquid, or gas at room temperature because, and you can use some of the same explanation we just did for water. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Good luck. Bye.